So friends, this is video number 2. This is video number 2, standard 12th English Unit 8, reading comprehension means read para 1 and 2 discussion. Now friends, look at this picture. You see a person and you recognize him, you know him. That is J. Krishnamurti, one of the best thinker and author of this list. This read. Now I introduce the read. Try to understand. In this read, means in read 1 of Unit 8, Sri J. Krishnamurti discuss with the youth of problems of freedom, a message for life. See, freedom, he gave the speech about the freedom, real freedom. That is a good message for the youth. About freedom, he discusses 3 points. First one is about real freedom. Second is the functions of education. And the third one is the approach to real freedom. Let us see some more details about the real freedom. About real freedom, Krishnamurti says to the youth that independence is not the real freedom. Freedom requires their keen understanding and intelligence. This way, he just tried to make the difference between independence and freedom. Second thing, that freedom is the states of mind, means youth's mind, where there is no pressure, no fear, no insecurity. These 3 qualities given: pressure, no fear, and no security. These 3 things. They are free from, means the youths are free from the social, religious, traditional, and parental influences. Means there should not be any influence of social, religious, and traditional and parents. They are free from being famous, getting some titles and fames, and imitating political leaders, religious leaders, and powerful persons. If they are not free from all this, they lose their self-respect and self-esteem. They can't develop their self-respect and can't develop self-esteem. Second point, he says about the functions of education. About that, he says that it creates the real freedom, means education creates the real freedom and helps them to be free thinkers. That means real education makes the persons real thinker. And third, according to Krishnamurti, they can approach it. It means this freedom very simply and directly, which brings them to real solution. In short, in this read, Krishnamurti gives his views to the youth, and that is about freedom. Friends, before starting discussing the read, you go through these words. This is glossary, important words in the unit. Say, some just I read for you. Absurd, absurdity, approach, aspire, that means wish, confirm, crush, that means suppress or put down, entity, that means individual, idiosyncrasy, that means peculiarity, vishishtha, ignoble, means low or dishonorable, implies, means or indicates, influences, insight, marvelous, that means wonderful or specular, parental means parenting to parents, pertaining to parents or regarding parents. Preoccupation means worry, anxiety. Saintly means good, virtuous. Scholar means academic, researchers, intellectual. Self-insurance, self-confidence. Speculation, wonder. Spiritual. Stick means fasten or joy. Superstition means false notion, blind belief or fallacy. Urge means desire or longing. Virtuous and volume. That you. Friends, read these words twice, thrice. You know some words and some may be new to you. So try to learn the meaning of the word. Now here, from read, Say instruction is this way for this. Read the following extracts and discuss the questions given below it. In number 2, 3, 4 means video number 2, 3, 4. Say every time this instruction is not given. Here the first paragraph means a part of the first paragraph is given here and questions are given here. You try yourself. Earlier we have done many such type of comprehension practice, and here is the same way. See, but some questions are of different. Read the first sentence and say what is the topic of this paragraph. Say first sentence. I would like to discuss with you the problems of freedom. From this you can understand what is the problems of freedom. Okay. In the same way, who is addressing this speech? From earlier reference, you can understand that J. Krishnamurti is addressing this speech, and that is to whom? Means to the youth. Same way, how would be the approach of J. Krishnamurti to freedom here? You can find it from this and discuss. And this fourth one and fifth one you can find from the paragraph. In the same, in this second paragraph, it is also about our nature, what we do, and also it is said that I wonder if you have ever stopped to observe the marvelous glow in different things. Different things are given. Then here it is said that it is all very beautiful. Means above things are very beautiful. In short, you can say that the observation of nature is mentioned here, and it is very good. And here, and to observe, to watch, to give your whole attention to something beautiful, your mind must be free of preoccupations. So here, what is needed for this type of observation? That is, in short, in this whole extract or this text, it is said that we are not observing the nature, but it is necessary, and from that we learn many things. Here are the questions. According to author, how does the reader make mind free? You can locate the answer from this text and write. What are beautiful for the reader? Then third, find the words which means very wonderful. You can find this word wonderful for wonderful, suppose marvelous. And then you complete last. To be free, mind must be occupied observing. Here you have to complete this sentence using only the words. After discussion in the group, friends, you can see the answers of both the paragraph at it, and if anything is wrong, you can just see. Here are the answers of the first paragraph. Here are the answers of the second. Okay, friends, now second video is over. Thank you. Come again next time.